தூத்துக்குடி வேலவன் ஸ்டோர் இப்போ சென்னையில டி நகர் உஸ்மான் ரோட்ல.
வார்த்தா வழங்கும் பவா செல்லதுரை நடுவராக பங்கேற்கும் சிறுகதை போட்டி. உடனே வார்த்தா ஆப்பை இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி உங்க ஸ்டோரிஸை அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. கேஷ் பிரைஸை வின் பண்ணுங்க. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்க லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.
இந்தியா கிளிட்ஸ்க்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
So people are asking about Kaidi 2. We are planning. Let's see, probably year end or early next year we might plan. Lokesh Tekelenge, ask Lokesh. And the people are asking about Gada, my bodyguard. He's called Giant Zanjeer, WWF, one of the fighters. Now he is in America. And again, Yuvan Shankar Raja's BGM became a big talking point. Yuvan Shankar Raja, I think we had a lot of difficult situation. COVID la poi, we had to do the background score. So we had to bring the film on time. So people are asking when I'm going to do a film with Anna. So we are still planning. We're waiting for a good team or a good script to do that.
No, you and Sir get. I'll be in the front row putting whistle and dance.
I always wonder, when we act in movies, it should not be brothers. It should be opposite characters.
Now the question: who will play the villain? Who will play the hero?
Hi Shantini, lucid dreamer. Hi.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Adi yaar, who's that? Hello, congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations to you.
First film, Tamil first film, super hit.
Oh, sir. Pathingla.
I was praying for you more than anybody.
Amma, I watched it in Bombay.
How was it? How did you enjoy it?
As soon as the shoot got over, we packed up and I watched it.
Okay.
I loved it. God, what performance, yeah, you gave. I was like, oh my God, you're so good. But how are you all?
Sorry?
All good?
Yeah, all good. Everyone is happy. We are going to theatres every day to go and see the response.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Women are liking it so much, all families, mothers and sisters, they are all saying action is very nice. So,
Awesome.
Yeah, kids are all saying Jai Sultan.
See? Jai Sultan.
Where are you right now? Where are you
I'm
shooting?
waiting for a goodbye right now.
Nice, congratulations. Big film, eh? Bachchan sir also, fantastic.
Thank you.
So what do you like in the movie? Which part of the films? Because you have not seen the fights, you're only seeing now, right?
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
I love the fights. I love the way the whole gang comes together, and that time where you thought the gang went off, they abandoned you and all, but they came back, and the look you gave, gone. I was like, this is the best part.
So,
That was my favorite part.
I think even the love scenes everybody enjoyed because Yogi Babu made one different angle to it. So,
And I'm cute, yeah. Even I really like it. It's quite interesting.
actually, the people are watching from all over the country right now. Even from north, people are watching.
I saw.
Ravi Ranjan is saying, please start work in north. She is doing a north film. She is doing a Hindi film now.
When I was watching the film here, the theaters were full. So I was like, wow, everyone
Okay.
are watching. So that's one really good thing now.
So people are asking about Anna. Anna was one big reason for the film to release on time. Anna gave all the support for the theatrical release. So I should thank him for that. And he really enjoyed the film. The first time he asked her, how did you manage 100 people in every scene? And you know what? Most mothers asked, how did you feed them?
Well, question is valid.
Yeah. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் இப்ப மத்திய பிரதேஷ் போக வேண்டியது, பட் கோவிட் சிச்சுவேஷன்னால அங்க பெர்மிஷன் கிடைக்கல. So probably Chennai இல்லாட்டி ஹைதராபாத்ல will start shooting. Rashmika, what did Bachchan sir say the first day? What did you talk to him?
Oh, the first day I think I was just there for the cues, and he and we just spoke about very random things. I was like, favorite food, just random things, but he's done very sweet.
Super. Super.
Yeah.
So people are asking about Kaidi 2. We are planning, let's see, probably year end or early next year we might plan the film. Yeah. Lokesh te kelenge. Ask Lokesh. They're all asking about Kaidi 2 for my film. Part 2 of Kaidi they're asking.
Arey, cool, yeah. Kaidi tour planning.
Rashmika, they're asking you to tell about Surya.
What do I say?
You haven't met him yet. No, you haven't met him yet.
I think in an award function, I just had a glance. I look at him and say, "Hi, sir," but nothing else. So yeah, one day I get to work with sir. Let's see.
And the people are asking about Gada, my bodyguard. So he's got Giant Zanjeer, WWF, one of the fighters. Now he is in America. அவருடைய இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம். We have given his tag in Instagram also. You can see. And director வந்து, I think Bhagiraj did a great job handling all these people. So many people are new people who never come in front of camera. But the way he handled everybody, they made sure each character was complete, was very good.
What was your favorite part in the film?
Oh, me. For me, I think the fight with Michael was one of the favorite parts. That emotion between, when people turn against Sultan, Vivek Merman gave us great songs. And the படத்துல வந்து பாட்டு வரும்போது படம் ஸ்லோ ஆகாம அந்த படம் இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்டா போச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு மெயின் the songs are a big reason. So I think I loved all the songs in the film. And again, Yuvan Shankar Raja's BGM became a big talking point of the film. Yuvan Shankar Raja வந்து, I think we had a lot of difficult situation. COVID la poi we had to do the background score, and Vivek Merman was still working on the songs. We had to bring the film on time, April 2nd release aganum. So then we asked Yuvan, and he actually made it work. What is the finger challenge, Rashmika? Everybody is asking finger challenge. How to do that?
What I was telling, what I was teaching. Remember this?
Yeah.
Oh God. So
Like
one.
Okay. So right?
I try. It should go fast.
Amma. Everything is opening. No. I'm not getting it. Sixth sense should work for the setting. Sixth part of the brain has to work for this. So people are asking when I'm going to do a film with Anna. So we are still planning. We're waiting for a good team or a good script to do that. So I think probably Rashmika will also do that film. Let's see.
No, you and Sir get. I'll be in the front row putting whistle and dance. Okay.
We'll see. Once the nice script falls into place, we'll do it for sure.
I'll be waiting.
I always wonder, when we act in movies, it should not be brothers, it should be opposite characters. It will be more interesting.
Yeah. I said, brothers, no, you should be opposite characters. Now the question: who will play the villain? Who will play the hero? Now, what the story between these two will be? Okay, wait. I'll ask you one question. Give us one interesting thing about your next film. Reveal something.
My next film is Maniratnam sir's film. No, it's Ponniyin Selvan. So it's an epic film. It's a two-part film, part 1 and part 2. It is actually a 5-novel book. 5-part book, and then now we are making it into a movie. So it's a story which happened 1,000 years back. So it's fiction based on history.
Acha. So you're
And
going
it's
to
a
shoot.
huge star cast, no? Aishwarya Rai man, Vikram sir, Jayam Ravi, Jairam sir, myself, huge star cast. Sharad Kumar sir, many,
So you
so
both of it at the same time.
Shobita is doing this film. Lot of people. Lot of good actors. Rahman sir's music is kick-ass in the film.
Waiting. How much have you finished it? Like how much?
70% is over. 70% is over.
They'll be releasing this.
I don't know. The COVID situation is delaying the film. We were hoping can come for next Sankranti Pongal, Jan.
Oh, cool.
That film is one huge film, no? Tamil industry has been wanting to make that novel into a film for the last 60 years. And now it's actually happening.
Oh my, congratulations. That's massive.
So people are asking, what is my film after Ponniyin Selvan? So after Ponniyin Selvan, I'm doing one film with Mithran who did Irumbuthilai. And after that, I'm doing one more film with Muthaiya, which my brother is producing. Talk about Yogi Babu. Say a few words about Yogi Babu in Tamil.
Why, sir? Why? Okay. No, Tamil, no. But I think with Yogi Babu, sir, the days when we were shooting with him, I think that sketch I was only shooting with sir, na? So I was in the shoot the whole time. I remember how hard I'd find to not laugh on shot.
Yeah.
Like, there's something hard for me to not laugh. And like one easy expressions he'll give, he'll be like, just look at us like that, and it's so hilarious. You feel like laughing, but you can't laugh. You're in the shot. Oh God! I think as how much fun it was, I found it equally hard to shoot with him. It's crazy.
People are asking in Tamil. So படம் நடிக்கும் போது எல்லா சீனுமே வந்து ரஷ்மிகாக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் யோகி பாபு கூட தான். So ஒவ்வொரு சீன்லயும் வந்து சிரிக்காம இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Thank you so much love for Kaidi movie. Thank you guys. Thank you.
So what was your thought for Kaidi release? Like, I remember you sitting there and you were just telling me that the Kaidi was releasing tomorrow and all of that. What was your thought?
No, I really enjoyed doing that film. Kaidi was quite an experience because I was working with a completely new crew, and every day, every scene was exciting for us. We were trying to shoot it very differently, not the regular way, and the emotions in the film was very new to me. A prisoner who's come out of the prison after 10 years of jail was quite an experience to enact. I really enjoyed that film, and when the film came out, we were very confident. It came on Diwali. People loved the film, and wherever I go, even I go to North India or wherever I go across, people keep asking when is Kaidi 2 coming. And that's the kind of excitement that film has created. I was very happy that film came to me actually. So I should thank everybody for logging in, and thank you for all the love and support for Sultan. Sultanku neenga ellarum kodutha varaverapukku romba nandri. Andarki na dhanyavadalu chaala thanks andi. Thanks for joining with us. Thank you. Love you all.
வார்த்தா வழங்கும் பவா செல்லதுரை நடுவராக பங்கேற்கும் சிறுகதை போட்டி. உடனே வார்த்தா ஆப்பை இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி உங்க ஸ்டோரிஸை அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. கேஷ் பிரைஸை வின் பண்ணுங்க. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்க லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.
தூத்துக்குடி வேலவன் ஸ்டோர் இப்போ சென்னையில டி நகர் உஸ்மான் ரோட்ல.